It's a perfectly charred skirt steak. And let me start with the skirt steak itself. We're going to do a little avocado crema with this. We got some rajas going on the back. And this is a two-part little series here because you have to focus on the correct cut of skirt. There's outside and there's inside. This is outside skirt. It's more tender. It's thinner. It's well marbled. Look at those striations there. It looks like Wagyu beef. This is just really good beef. And what I've done is I coated it in some black powder rub, which is one of my new Mauro Provisions offerings here, which gives you this beautiful super char that mimics like if it sat on a bed of charcoals. But it's not because it's got poppy seeds, black sesame seeds in there, turbinado sugar, granulated garlic, dehydrated onion, all these big flavors. And what you got to do overnight is put this in the fridge on a wire rack sheet pan to help dehydrate it. And that just ensures you get like the greatest char on it. So we're going to do it on a grill pan, which I amply oiled with some vegetable oil. I'm just going to give that a beautiful char. And we're going to let that cook. And as you can see here, I got these rajas, which are just poblanos and onions. Real traditional Mexican preparation of this that goes something you can make ahead of time and put it on your taco bar station so you're not you're not over the oven. This is good, like room temperature, hot, cold, whatever.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get to this crema really quick, Rachel. Starting with good Mexican crema. If you can't find the kind of looser, silkier Mexican crema, you can definitely use sour cream. Just get the full fat stuff. And it's so widely
available now, though. I mean, we're up here in the Adirondacks, and we can get it right local, right here, and we're way up in the mountains. Yep.
The power of, hey, I think we have to pat ourselves on the back, Rach. Single-handedly, changing the world. And I'm just going to literally just squeeze. And what do I mean by squeeze? Since we are blending this up, you can just squeeze that fresh avocado ripe. This is a good time to use under-ripened or over-ripened.
So good. Mm-hmm. So good.
I love squeezing avocado. It's like the best feeling, right? So we're going to squeeze 2 avocados in there. Just like that. Take that, pit out. And we're going to add some fresh cilantro. What I love about this is it's like you're already going to put sour cream, avocado, cilantro, lime juice, which will add a little bit of just until we can see the consistency. You're already putting it on your taco. You might as well get it in one bite and serve it super easy at your taco bar, taco station.
Yeah, we make pretty much the same thing. Exactly.
Aren't we having fun, Rachel? I'm going to flip the meat here.
We always have fun together.
And the beauty of this is you could see we did this totally inside. Look at that black powder char on there. The seeds are popping. You got the garlic. You got a little sugar that kind of aids in the caramelization, that Maillard effect, if you will. And we got this beautiful, super quick, easy to make avocado lime crema. And you can just give this a little mix. Look at this meat. Holy smokes.
Look at that. How beautiful is that?
Look at that. And when you cut this, look at that. Beautifully cooked.
Look at that. Oh, you're just a show off all over the place today. Look at you.
I'm going to throw a little bit of these rajas on there. And this is a super easy, fun little taco. I got some grilled red jalapenos or Fresno chilies for a little. Wow.
Yes.
For the cowboys and cowgirls in the group that really want direct spice. And I add a little bit of that, and you serve it with some lime wedges.
Gorgeous.
And look at that. Taco Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Go.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at
Go, Mauro. Go, Mauro. Oh, going in. Come On Over is available now. And, of course, you can spend more time with Jeff every week with our other friends on The Kitchen. Of course, that's Saturday mornings at 11 on Food Network.